Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Realme Buds Q2s with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, before the pairing, you have to remember to put both earbuds inside the case, charge them for like 10 minutes with this USB-C port, and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. When you do this, all you have to do is just to open this charging case, and this indicator will turn on. Next, you have to remove the left and the right earbud from the case, and right now, after a few seconds, the earbuds will go to the pairing mode automatically. So all I have to do is to open the settings right now. Sorry guys, that's the language settings actually, but we have to go from the main settings to the Bluetooth. Then when we are right here, we have to take a look for the other devices list. And now just wait until they pops on the list. So select them by tapping on the Realme Buds Q2s. And also you can actually get the Realme Link application from the App Store. So you have to go right here, we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, tap on the search pool and type Realme Link, and that's the application that you have to download. You have to also sign in with an account or create an account if you don't have, but basically when you connect them, like in my case by the standard Bluetooth settings, once you download the application you will be already connected. So yeah, that's all for this video, hope you like it.